Hello everyone, we are going to learn about HTML forms, one of the most important parts of web design. Forms are used to collect user input on a web page, for examples, names, password, feedback, or registration details. We are create a form using the form tag. Inside this tag, we can have a different input fields like a text box, buttons, or checkbox. Now, two important attributes are action and method. The action attributes tells the where the form data should go. It cloud be a file or a server. The method tells how the data is sent. I get means data is visible in the URL again, and post of you keeps hidden. Next one. Next content is a most important section. When the form is submitted, the data is processed by the server or by a script like JavaScript or PHP. So that is how forms helps us collect and send user data. Topic 2, Form Elements. Next, let's talk about form elements. HTML gives us many types of input elements. HTML gives us many types of input elements to collect different kinds of data. We use the input tag for short text, password, emails, numbers, checkbox, or radio buttons. For long text, we use the text area tag like for tags likes for comments for feedbacks. If we want a drop down list, we use select and options. To add a button, we use the button tag, which can submit or reset the form. Also, the label tag helps describe and input fields. It improves your accessories for user. We can also add placeholder, difficult values, and value of attributes to make the form user friendly. Topic 3, Form attributes. Now let's understand form attributes. Attributes are like special instruction. They control how your form works. For example, name gives a name to the input. ID gives the unique ID. Auto completer helps browser suggest safe information. Required make a field compulsory and disable or read only provident of editing. When we upload your files, we use en type to specific of how the data should be encoded. And if we do not with automatic checking, we can add no valid to the form tag. Topic 4, Input Validation. Input validation. Validation means checking whether the user has entered the correct information or not. There are two types, client side validation and server side validation. Client side checking happens before a data is sent using a HTML or JavaScript. In server side checking, a